Kitty, go get the birdie. I'm saying that so I can get away from the babies. Are you taking video? Can I say what it's happening?
Sure.
So get it at me now.
No, I don't want to miss the action.
Okay, so this is about a cat. So there's a bird nest in our bushes, and the cat's trying to get the baby birds. And the mom and the dad is trying to distract the cat away. And this is what the video is about. You saw the beginning a little bit. Now go ahead and look. You see it? It's a brown cat or a black and a couple birds. I'm going. But you only see one. It's evening right now.
Oh.
Daddy is on the roof!
Can't go away?
But still on the tree.
You are on the roof! You got to be kidding me, Daddy! You're on the roof! You got to be kidding me! He got to be kidding me!
Don't. It's Daniel's kitty.
Bad kitty.
It's okay. That's what cats do.